Wait, traders, look at this, look at this. Dash is, oh my gosh, Dash is up 43% in just the last 24 hours. It's sitting around $48 right now, and I'm just staring at the chart like, what is happening? This is wild. I mean, are we gearing up for another big move? Or is this one of those moments where you go, oh no, wait, is this a trap? I love this stuff. And if you saw the earlier analysis, oh man, you probably had that moment of, hey, I knew this was coming, because it all lined up. And there's always more setups and ideas we're digging into. And it's so fun watching it all unfold. We've got extra breakdowns and deeper dives over on Patreon, just a place to keep everything organized and share more of the behind the scenes thinking. The tester plan is there too, $10, super simple. The link's in the description and comments. It's just nice having a spot for all that stuff. Okay, now let's jump into the analysis because, wow, there's a lot to look at. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.